Hi, welcome to Lean Bella's Kitchen. Today I'm excited to share with you this delicious recipe for spicy coconut cream chicken. This dish combines the rich and creamy flavors of coconut milk with a kick of spice to create mouth-watering meal that will entice your taste buds. Very few ingredients, easy step that you can whip up in no time. Get ready to elevate your cooking game with this spicy coconut cream chicken. First, I'm going to combine all the spices in a small bowl. Smoked paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, dried oregano, cumin, and red chili pepper flakes. Add the salt, mix until combined, and then add half of the seasoning to the chicken. Toss the coat well, or you can even use your hand to rub the seasoning onto the chicken. Now heat the pan with oil. Sear the chicken until brown. You don't have to cook them all the way through. We're still going to continue cooking them into the sauce. Use the same pan, add more oil, and then add the onions, saute until tender, add the garlic, continue sauteing until aromatic, add the jalapeno pepper and tomatoes and the rest of the seasoning, and then also add the coconut cream. Now simmer until thicken and reduce, and then add the chicken back into the pan and cook for another 5 minutes. Garnish with green onions. For more recipes, please visit us at leanbellaskitchen.com. Have a wonderful day.